All
Uh,
right.
and we are live. Hello, everybody. This is our 10-minute YouTube demonstration for our final project. My name is Emre, and today we are with Nizar and Jason. And our final project is a YouTube auto organizer. And basically, the purpose of this code is to take all the videos in a given playlist and using the transcript or comments or captions of a video, it will use an AI model to sort through each video automatically and create a playlist depending on what category it is and falls under. For the first two functions of the code, I have worked on the input parser. And basically, what that does is it takes the URL of a video and then it uses the playlist ID to basically go through the videos. And then the second part, the second function is the transcript fetcher. And basically, what that does is it takes the auto-generated transcript that YouTube posts with each video, and then it uses that to find the popular words of a video and uses them to organize the video, which then goes on to function three and four. Um, do you want to read function three and four, Jason? I can read function three and four.
No, no, it's fine. Sorry, I was muted. Can you hear me? I
Yes.
apologize.
Yes.
Function 3 and 4. Okay, so the function 3 is the data sanitizer. Um, it basically takes the scripts of a video, like the transcripts or the captions and all that, and it puts it in there, and it takes out all the unnecessary stuffs. Um, As you can see here, it removes like the timestamp part. So if you go into the transcripts of a video on the left side, there's there's like a timestamp. We don't need that to categorize our videos, so we'll have that removed. It removes the HTML tags. I think that's pretty simple. And the filler words, the uhs, the literally like that, like the kind of words that's not really necessary in categorizing a video. And then function 4 actually categorizes them. We just have a few simple categories. Obviously, you can go more in depth into them, but it takes what we did uh, before and it identifies the keywords. And if it sees those certain keywords, it puts it into uh, certain categories. Yep. And Nizar, if you want to explain 5 and 6.
Gotcha. So function five is playlist generator. What that does is it takes the list of categories that Jason's code produces and uses the YouTube data API to create a new private playlist for each one. It loops through every category, makes an API to create the playlist, and then it stores the mapping of the category names to the playlist ID so the next function knows where to put the videos. Function six, the video batch adder. What that does, it takes that mapping and goes through every video, inserting each one into its correct playlist. The tricky part is that the YouTube API has 10,000 unit daily quota, so I built in a pause every 10 inserts to avoid hitting that rate limit.
All right, and now we are going to do a test run. We already have the URL of a YouTube playlist ready. So as you can see, as we run the program, it asks us to paste the URL, which we have ready here. And it goes through each of the video's transcript first. It'll take a minute.
And cut this part out, the wait time.
No, it's fine. It's barely anything. We only have 46 videos or 45 in our playlist, I think. So it
Yeah.
should be done in a few seconds. And after it goes through all the descriptions and captions and all that, it puts them into categories, and it as you can see, and then it creates these playlists, and we should be able to see two output files. One of them will be the playlist created, and the other will be the videos that the program cannot identify based on keywords, or maybe they simply don't have keywords. They'll be put into like a manual sorting file, and should be anime. All right, there we go. So you can see here we have the results. Uh, these are the playlists that it has created based on the categories, and we also have a separate file for menu review, but they're also in here.
Yes. And basically to access the videos, all one would need to do is basically copy and paste the ID number at the end to youtube.com. And at the end, if you paste that, the digits at the end, it'll open the video. And that's our automatic YouTube playlist sorter. I
All right,
wanted,
thank you.
yeah, we wanted to thank everyone for watching the video. This was our demonstration. And thank you.
Thank you so much, guys.
Ending video.